Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to turn off share count on your Instagram post. Before starting this video, please watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to open Instagram and click on right bottom your profile icon. After coming to your profile, here you have to select the post, whose share account you want to hide. Now select any one post here. After selecting the post, click on the top right 3 dots of the post. Here you can see these 3 dots, click on them. Now here you can see the hide share count. Here you have to click on your hide share account. When you click on hide share count, now all the shares that come on your Instagram post will not be counted. In this way you can turn off any Instagram post or reel shares count. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.